Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get Waldeck in Idle Heroes. Waldeck is a highly sought-after Abyss Ranger, known for his strong support abilities. Obtaining him requires a strategic approach to resource management and careful participation in various in-game events. We will cover the most effective methods, emphasizing the importance of saving key currencies. By understanding these steps, you can significantly increase your chances of adding this valuable hero to your team. Let's dive into the details. One of the primary ways to acquire Waldeck is through summoning events. Heroic summon events are crucial. Always save your heroic summon scrolls for these, as they frequently double your chances of getting 5-star heroes. Waldeck has been featured in such events, sometimes with guaranteed copies after 500 attempts. Additionally, Prophet summon events allow you to use Prophet orbs to target Abyss faction heroes, increasing your odds. Completing event milestones yields significant rewards, so plan your summons wisely. Beyond summoning, the altar and feather shops offer alternative paths to Waldeck. In the altar store, you can exchange soul stone shards for hero copies. You earn these shards by disassembling unwanted heroes, especially 1-star and 2-star units. The feather shop, also known as the Glorious Relic Store, is another vital resource. Here, you can spend glorious relics, often called feathers, to directly purchase hero copies or valuable artifacts. Always consider your current team needs when deciding how to spend these precious resources. Active participation in various events is essential. Keep an eye out for hero exchange events, where you can trade soul stone shards for specific heroes, and wishing fountain events, which can sometimes feature Waldeck. Heroic miracle events reward you for summoning 5-star heroes across different factions, often providing a valuable hero copy as a prize. The Palace of Eternity can also offer opportunities to acquire new heroes through replacements. Remember to complete your daily and weekly quests diligently to accumulate the necessary resources for these opportunities.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.